Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself wondering how to get a refund from TradingView, maybe after you realized you didn't need that subscription or accidentally signed up for the wrong plan, this video is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to request a refund through TradingView's system step by step without any confusion. Stick with me and you'll get your money back, or at the very least, you'll know you tried every possible route. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to go directly to the TradingView website. Open your browser and head to TradingView. Don't try to start this process via email or social media, since the official refund process happens through their website, built-in features. Give the site a moment to load and make sure you're logged into the correct account before you continue so that TradingView has your details ready. Once you're on the main dashboard, look down in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. You should see a little chat icon, often labeled as Chat Assistant or something similar. This is TradingView's virtual assistant, and it's actually your gateway to speaking directly with their support system. Go ahead and click that little icon. It might take a second to pop up. Don't worry if you have to wait a moment, or if you need to scroll or minimize any pop-ups blocking your view. Now in the chat box that opens, you'll want to type out a clear request. Just type, "I want to get a refund." No need to write a long explanation at this point. The system is set up to recognize straightforward requests. Imagine you're telling a clerk at a store, keep it clear and simple, and the software will know what route to take you down. Once you hit enter, you should see some automated options appear, including a link or button that says refund request or something along those lines. Go ahead and click on that. If you don't see it right away, don't get discouraged. Sometimes it takes an extra prompt or two, or the wording might be slightly different. The key thing here is to stay patient and look for the response that matches your request. Alright, before you get too far, here's a tip that will make things much smoother. Have your key information ready. TradingView is going to ask for details like the email you used for your account, the date you made the payment, the reason you want a refund, and the amount you were charged. It's similar to returning an item at a store. You'll want your receipt, your identification, and a short explanation of why you're bringing it back. Jot this info down or have it open in another tab for quick copying and pasting. This will save you a lot of back and forth as you move through the chat process. Next, all you need to do is answer any questions the assistant asks. They might prompt you for a bit more detail or ask you to confirm some pieces of information. Just follow the instructions step by step. Don't worry if there are a few extra questions. It's all just part of verifying your request and making sure no one else is trying to access your account. When you're done, send off the request as instructed. That's it. TradingView's team will receive your refund application, and you should get an update via email within a few days. So with just a few careful clicks and clear answers, you'll have your refund request in the system. If you run into any hiccups, remember, don't hesitate to reach out to TradingView's support or even try the chat assistant again. Alright, if this guide helped you out or made things clearer, please hit the like button, and if you have any questions or run into snags, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more detailed tutorials just like this. Thanks so much for watching and best of luck with your TradingView refund.